Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are always fine, happy, and spirit to study English. Okay, students. Today we would like to review the last meeting about past continuous. Apakah kalian masih ingat apa yang dimaksud dengan past continuous? Jadi, past continuous itu digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu aktivitas yang sedang berlangsung di masa lampau. Tapi kejadiannya terjadi secara berurutan ya. Misalnya ada kejadian yang sudah terjadi, kemudian diikuti kejadian yang sedang berlangsung, tapi kejadiannya di waktu lampau. Nah, kemudian rumusnya apa? Rumusnya yaitu when, kata hubungnya when, subject plus verb to, verb 2, subject plus to be plus verb ing. Nah, jadi perlu diingat di sini to be-nya harus memakai to be bentuk lampau. Ada was sama were. Ya. Sebagai contoh, nomor 1. When you came to my house, I was reading a book. Ketika kamu datang ke rumahku, saya sedang membaca sebuah buku. Nah, di situ kalian bisa lihat verb 2-nya adalah came. Nah, came itu kalau verb satunya apa? Come, ya. Kemudian kalimat yang kedua yang sedang dilakukan adalah apa? Membaca buku, ya. I was reading. Nah, to be-nya was, read-nya ditambah ing menjadi reading. Kemudian contoh yang kedua, when father slept, I was watching TV. Ketika ayah tidur, saya sedang menonton TV. Nah, di situ verb 2-nya apa? Slept. Ya, bentuk satunya sleep. Kemudian yang sedang berlangsung apa? Menonton TV, ya, sedang menonton TV. To be-nya was, watch ditambah ing menjadi watching, ya. Nah, demikianlah tadi review materi untuk minggu yang lalu, ya. Do you understand? Yes, alhamdulillah. Baiklah, bersama-sama kita buka buku paketnya, page 45, activity 8, ya, halaman 45, aktivitas 8. Nah, di situ melengkapi surat Carl yang ditujukan kepada Tony. Kita bahas bersama-sama ya, biar lebih mudah. Dear Tony, I'll never forget our first family camping trip. Saya tidak akan pernah lupa perjalanan camping keluarga kami yang pertama kali. We blah 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 very fast down the road when suddenly our new tent blah 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 off the top of our car. Kami titik-titik terlalu cepat menuju jalan yang turun. Nah, jawabannya kira-kira apa? Ya, good. Sedang mengemudi, ya. Were driving. We were driving very fast down the road. Ketika tiba-tiba tenda baru kami dari atas mobil kami. Ya, jawabannya apa kira-kira? Yes, good. Blew, ya. Blew off, terlepas. Ketika tiba-tiba tenda baru kami terlepas dari atas mobil kami. Kemudian lanjut. We had to stop and pick it up from the side of the road. Kami harus berhenti dan mengambilnya di sebelah jalan. When we finally blah 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 at our campsite. Ketika akhirnya kami titik-titik di perkemahan kami. Jawabannya apa? Yes, good, arrived. Akhirnya kami tiba di perkemahan. There were big dark clouds in the sky. Di sana nampak awan hitam yang begitu tebal di atas langit. We had to hurry to put up our tent. Kami harus lekas mengambil tenda kami. When it bla 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 to rain. Nah, jawabannya apa? Yes, good started. Ketika mulai turun hujan, I bla 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 my sleeping bag and air mattress from the car. Jawabannya apa kira-kira itu? Oh yes, good. Was carrying. Saya sedang membawa selimut tidur dan matras udara dari mobil. I got all wet. Saya kebasahan. Then it kept raining and raining. Kemudian hujan terus dan terus. Soon everything was wet. Sesegera segala sesuatunya basah. We sat in the car until the rain stopped. Kami duduk di dalam mobil sampai hujannya berhenti. When we bla 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 back to the tent. Nah, jawabannya apa? Yes, good. When, ya. Ketika kami kembali ke tenda, our sleeping bags and mattress, selimut tidur dan matras kami, bla 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 in the water. Jawabannya apa? Yes, good. Sedang mengapung. Were floating. Selimut tidur dan matras kami sedang mengapung di air, ya. It was time to go home. Waktunya pulang. Baiklah, setelah semua jawaban kita jawab bersama, sekarang kalian bisa menulisnya di buku paket kalian untuk dibuat belajar. Setelah ini anak-anak bisa mendengarkan bersama-sama listening tentang teks halaman 47 sampai 48 ya. Yang judulnya My Trip to Oman ya. Silakan didengarkan bersama-sama ya.
Unit 5, Little Book. My Trip to Oman by Devon O'Toole. Student's Book, pages 47 and 48. Page 1.
Dear Diary, here we are in Oman. We got to the hotel just in time for lunch. Our waiter said that the fish with rice was good. It was wonderful. We also enjoyed the tropical fruit we ate for dessert. We could see the sea and the Jebel Akdar mountains from the dining room window. After lunch, Dad and I took a boat ride, and Mum and John rested by the pool. Now John wants to be a lifeguard, so he can stay by the pool all day.
Page 2.
Dear Diary, today we spent the morning on the beach. The sea was very warm, so we all went swimming. I had my mask and snorkel, so I could see under the water. There were fish everywhere. Big fish, small fish, blue fish, yellow fish, and fish with lots of colours. I took lots of photos with my underwater camera.
Page 3.
Dear Diary, today we drove down the coast and stopped at another beach. After lunch, we walked up a wadi. It was very hot, but there were lots of deep pools in the wadi. I climbed up the rocks and jumped into the pools. It was very good fun. In the evening, we put up our tents near the wadi. My dad made a fire and we cooked some food.
Page 4.
Dear Diary, last night we slept inside a tent. It was cool, but we were warm inside our sleeping bags. We were having breakfast when it started to rain. Then it poured. The wadi was filling up with water, so we packed up and drove back to the hotel. Later today, we're flying home. What an exciting trip!
Demikianlah tadi pembelajaran listening yang sudah kalian dengarkan bersama-sama tentang teks yang berjudul My Trip to Oman yang ada di buku paket kalian. Setelah itu kalian bisa belajar membaca teks di rumah supaya lebih lancar membaca bahasa Inggris. Nah, anak-anak, untuk kegiatan yang terakhir, kalian bisa mengerjakan latihan soal yang ada di buku paket kalian halaman 51, centang pertama, kedua, dan ketiga, yaitu My Journal, ya. Setelah itu, tugasnya bisa dikirimkan ke nomor WA Ustadz, ya. Saya tunggu ya. Oke, students, that's all for today. Thank you very much. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tetap semangat, jaga kesehatan, jangan lupa bahagia. Bye-bye.